Y-O YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Today we're going to be working with some EasySubli. So basically what it is, it's like a sublimation film that you can adhere to any color shirt. Peep this. Now this is vinyl, but let's just say you wanted to put a colored image onto a dark background and you didn't have any way to do it other than the dark transfer paper. You can check out this new EasySubli. What it is a sheet like this, and it's like, I think this one is 11 by 12 or 11 by 13. I actually bought individual sheets from Vinyl Supply Unlimited. Make sure y'all check them out, hit them up online, get 10% off your entire order, and anything past $50, free shipping. But back to what I was saying. You print out the image onto this, you put the gloss side down, you let it go through the printer, it prints on this side, you simply cut it out. If you want to do a print to cut, make sure you put your registration marks with the Silhouette or with the Cricut or whatever machine that you so choose. But that's enough talking and explaining, especially for an intro. And that was a long one. Y'all usually don't go that long, but I'm trying to switch things up. Let's grit. So normally I use cotton subs to get the job done because it's a very soft fabric / media, but I didn't have enough time to order it, and the customer wants the shirts now. As the Hall of Fame is around, so that means there's wrestling events, there's football events, there's the enshrinement, there's all types of things going on in the Canton area. So I had to reach out to Jason McCoon. He came through with a couple of sheets. He actually delivered them to me. If you didn't catch my last video, check it out. And once again, head on over to Vinyl Supply Unlimited. But this is the image that we're going to put on the shirt.
Can I get a, oh, yeah, one time for the brother.
What you see is Macho Man Randy Savage, and yes, y'all, I am goofy. When I used to hear his voice as a child on WWF, Worldwide Wrestling Federation, or whatever it was, because I used to watch wrestling, believe it or not, that's how he sounded to me. He sounded like, I need a Slim Jim, man. You know, kind of hoarse, deep voice. But that's the actual wrestler that we're going to put on the shirt. And I'm going to put, oh yeah, on the back of the shirt. And I might put WWF somewhere on there as well, as this picture looks like when he was in his prime. So I'm going to show you guys the steps to get it done. Right now, I think this is like this is my second time using EasySubli. The first time, I didn't have as much luck. This time, it really wasn't going through the Workforce 7720, but if I would have had the sawgrass, it might have worked a little bit better. But I don't have a sawgrass, so we have to rock with what we got to rock with. And to get the job done, y'all, I'm using Vibrant Vibes ink. I know it's a vibe every time I rock with Vibrant Vibes ink. Also, a link in the description for Vibrant Vibes sublimation inks, DTF inks, printers, and paper, and so much more. Head on over to Vibrant Vibes. Yes. These are the people that support me, so I'm going to continuously shout them out. Chanel Michaels, you doing one heck of a job. Salute to you. So like I mentioned before, I have to do mine in a different way, and I reverse the image onto sublimation paper, and then I'm going to press it onto this EasySubli sheet because Bertha did not want to print it. I tried several times, and it just kept getting ink on the back, so I'm going to go with what I know best, which is to put the image onto a piece of Vibrant Vibe sublimation paper, and then this is in reverse. So once I put it on top of here, it'll actually flip. Now you guys may be wondering, well, how's he gonna get this image onto here? Because usually they peel this backing off to adhere to the shirt. I'm gonna do all of those steps, so I'm gonna do it in one. I'm gonna cut this into a square. I'm gonna measure it with this. I'm gonna peel the backing off of this, and then I'm going to adhere it to the t-shirt, doing it all in one step. Now I'm going to press at my original temp, 380 degrees for 45 seconds. But whenever you get your materials, make sure to follow the directions given with the package. Now, I've been doing a couple trial and errors, and over the last month or so, I've been doing a lot of sublimation. So I'm trying out a lot of new different things and different ways to approach materials that I'm using. Not your traditional or average way. But just know, if I mess up or if it doesn't go the way it's planned, I'm not gonna cry over spilled milk. Just make sure you got extra shirts or extra sublimation paper if you're working with something like Bertha. Tip of the day, people. So guys, I got carried away. and actually press the shirt. But this is the EasySubli, and I'm going to show you on the next shirt how I did this. Now I'm going to add yellow, probably some Econo yellow or gold to it. Just going to say Macho Man, Randy Savage, and like some real kind of looking letters, and then I'm going to stamp the back of it. What's up, cuz?
How you doing?
Alright, so y'all, I was doing this while the store was open, and I didn't even really fully get to explain how I came up with this. This is the front of that Macho Man Randy Savage shirt. As you can see, I got some custom print right here on the vinyl. This right here is the EasySubli, which I didn't do the traditional way. I'm going to show on this next shirt. So that's the front of the shirt. I just want to show y'all this because it came out fire. I'm not too worried about the white edges. I just was worried about how that image was going to turn out. And yo, that look fuego. And this is the back of the shirt. Snap into a Slim Jim, Macho Madness. Too hot to handle, too cold to hold. Macho Man Randy Savage. I was going to put his birth date and death date on his shirt, but I think I'm going to save that for another Macho Man custom. So, what y'all think? Drop a comment. But before I end this video, like I said, we're going to press another shirt so you guys can get the gist of what I just did. So, I'm just going to move this out the way. My EasySubli came like this, right? Single sheets. Side on the inside of the printer, and you can actually print. Well, you see what I'm working with right here. This was not pulling this through the actual printer. And I still need to get the job done, so I had to figure out a way. And that way was to go ahead and print it on the sublimation paper in reverse. And make sure that the cuts, this is EasySubli right here. This is my sublimation paper right here. Make sure these match up. So when I go to flip this over, and this right side is the right way that it's supposed to be, it'll still get that crisp image. I'm going to incorporate some of this yellow onto this black shirt that's actually loaded on this here Walapress 16 by 20. Links is in the description. And I'm going to fully customize this black shirt out. And basically, I mean, you don't have to do this extra step if you got you a good printer. It just so happened, like I said, my feed tray will not pull the actual sublimation paper or the EasySubli through. So I had to, you know, what MacGyver say? I had to rig something. I had to make something work. I had to make something shake, and that was the best way to do it. And maybe I'll go through this process all over again. I have used EasySubli before. And when I used it before, this is exactly how I did it. There's supposed to be a mask that came with this, but I told them I didn't need it because I wasn't going to use it. I knew what I was going to do ahead of time. That's why Lyle letting me know she ready. She up to temp, 380 degrees for 45 seconds. Let's press. So you can see there ain't no funny business. I'm just peeling this backing off of the EasySubli Siser. And voila, there you go. Just gonna separate the two. And now, instead of doing it the original way, I'm gonna do it my way. I put the shiny side down onto the shirt, and I got it away from the heat. Make sure to go a few fingers down. Might be some dust or whatever. I should have had my lint roller. All right. I'm just checking my placement, making sure it's where I want it to be. And usually when you do your pre-press, you'll get a nice, decent box. And usually it's even if you load it onto the platen the right way. I have had it where it's been crooked. And simply we're going to take our image. Bam. We're going to place it right on top. Now, the cuts, like I said, aren't exact. But what you can do is make sure that the image is actually bigger than the sublimation sheet. And you won't have them white spots showing. But this is for my cousin, and he know I get down. I mean, I could. So my word of advice right now is if you got some EasySubli, do what the directions say to do. I have to compromise in situations, and listen, I'm gonna make do. Where there's a will, there's a way. My grandfather said there's more than one way to skin a cat, and I have come to realize that. And that's just an old folks saying for get the job done by any means necessary. I'm gonna tape this down and press this, and then you will see the image sublimated fully onto the EasySubli. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Stop in the jump. Why would I stop the jump? Because it's not taped. So when I stop the jump, I simply just hurry up and lift up. And like I've told you guys in numerous videos, I place one finger down and then I peel away quickly, or as quick as I can, to reveal this. I will get you a closer shot of it. So regardless, that EasySubli still came through for me and it worked doing it my way. I would advise to follow the directions given with the EasySubli, but like I said, where there's a will, there is a way. Now, she may not be loading the paper, but she's definitely printing some ink onto some sublimation paper. Shout out to Vibrant Vibes Ink again. And this is bright. This is popping. I mean, I'm not a fan of the feel because it's got that real papery feel, not the cotton sub feel that I like. But you know what? You gotta make do. And this video is running a little bit long. If you guys would like more EasySubli videos, let me know. Tell me if you're feeling it or if you think, nah. Let's wrap this bad boy up. Yo, man. Your boy been gritting. So I didn't plan on it not being able to load through the Epson, but after the first couple of tries of me actually pushing it through the Epson and noticing that it was getting stuck, I noticed that it was going to be a problem, so I had to think quick on my toes, and that's how I ended up doing what I did. That's why I showed you guys like that. If you would like me to thoroughly explain this, maybe in just a talk video and just show video instead of a tutorial style type, let me know. If this confused you in any way, let me know. But yo, it's Hall of Fame week, y'all, and if you woke up this morning, you blessed. If you was able to provide for your family, you blessed. If you have a job or if you are currently active in what it is that you are in pursuit of, aka the happiness of life or a happy life, you know what I'm saying, or a good life, keep doing it. Break the sky with your creativity. Don't let nobody get in the way of your happiness, in the way of your grind, in the way of your hustle. Steal your energy. That negative is out. It's 2022. And you know what it is. But until the next one, y'all, I'm out. Hold on. Before I all the way out, Hat SP Poke, check her out on Facebook. And this I came up with in like 2021, last year. That's Kobe on there. That's Nipsey on there. Legends never die. I get a lot of questions about my shirts that I wear and the hats that I wear via social media. So shout out to the plugs, and you know, I'm always gonna try to make myself look great in some way or another form or fashion. And some people ain't feeling the purple, some is feeling the purple. So y'all drop a comment about the purple. What, you know, what's up with the purple? Can the boy rock the purple or not? But yeah, y'all, I'm out.